How to get Cash App Virtual Card. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to get a Cash App Virtual Card. First, open the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Once you're here, go to the bottom menu where there are several options and tap the one with the card icon. Here it is. After tapping on it, this page appears. On this page, tap the option labelled Get Your Free Card. Next, this page will show up where you'll choose your preferred card style from the available options. Make sure you're following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. I've selected this new style. After that, another page appears with two options: Customize Card and Order Card. If you don't wish to customize your card, you can go ahead and tap Order Card, but I will customize mine by tapping this option here. As you can see, there are several ways to customize your card by adding various elements to it. Once you're done personalizing it, save your changes and tap the Order Card button. Then, this page appears where you're supposed to enter your delivery address to receive your physical card. After doing so, you'll need to wait for it to arrive. If the waiting period passes and your card hasn't arrived, don't worry, I'll show you what to do next. Tap the profile icon at the top section of the page to access your profile. From there, scroll down to the bottom where more options appear and tap the one labelled Support. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of topics. Scroll through until you find the one named Cash App Card. Here it is. Tap on it to access this page containing card-related options. Scroll to the bottom and tap Chat. A new page will appear showing a list of transactions, but since we're not dealing with a specific transaction, make sure to tap the option labelled Not About a Transaction. This opens a chat box where you can talk directly with the support team. Clearly explain that you haven't received your Cash App card yet. Send the message and give them time to respond with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to get a Cash App virtual card.